Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you a very simple magic trick. You can perform it on any cards. Let's say you have Uno, anything, whichever you all have at home, whichever you all prefer. So I'm going to use playing cards because I prefer that. So now I'm going to show you the magic trick. So let's get to the performance. So here's the performance. I'm going to give the deck a shuffle. So now I'm going to go through the cards like this and let the spectator say stop anywhere they want. Let's say they say stop at this card. I won't look. I'll square up this pile and I'll look away. That's your card, okay? I'll place this on top. We'll give the deck a shuffle. So now your card is lost in the deck. I don't know where is it. So now I'll try to find your card. So I'll go through the deck. So I couldn't find a card through the deck, so I'm just going to take the easy way. I'll just snap my fingers and let the card jump to the top. So let's get into the tutorial. So here's the tutorial to the card trick. Just let you know that in whichever cards you perform it, the steps are the same. So here's how you do it. So it's an impromptu trick, so you don't need any setup for this. So you start by give the deck to the spectator, or you can shuffle it. After you finish shuffling it, then you're going to go through. The last time when you shuffle, you're going to do an overhand shuffle. So you do it like this. You're going to catch the deck like that. From this deck, you're going to swipe to the top, and now you're going to remember the last card. So now this is the last card, the 2 of clubs. So when I do this, I go through there. Let that when I'm doing, I'm pulling this card from the bottom. So after I finish, let's say this is stop right there, I pull this card from the bottom, and that's going to be the last card. So I square up this deck, show them, and I place this on top. So now you all know that the card is the 2 of clubs. So you can shuffle the deck. Now when you're going through the deck, you're trying to look for the 2 of clubs. So this is the 2 of spades, 2 of clubs. Here the 2 of clubs. So what I did in the performance, this card jumped to the top. So what I did is, I take this from this finger and I drop it right there, and then I just continue going. So I have just dropped it. It's like just hanging over there. I go through it, and after I finished, I just square up the deck, and then the top card is their card. I'll just show you this once again. So let's say their card is the 7 of hearts. So we are going to pull it with a middle finger, and we are going to drop it right there. And now we are going to continue spreading through the pile, and after we finish, we are going to put this back to the top, square the deck up, and now you can snap your fingers and get the card back to the top, and that's it.